Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and my channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. And if you like any of those things, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you a couple of luxury items that I picked up. If it goes too long, I'm going to break it up into two parts. Nice little camellia. Chanel logo ribbon. And then inside is this velvety smooth pouch. Inside of the pouch is this little foam dilly-dally. And then we're finding some good ones today. They secured it with two little clips, the top and the bottom. Unsnap it. Here is my Chanel bangle, half bangle. What was that? That scared me. What was that? Did you hear it? Double C's in the middle with diamantes or rhinestones or straws. And then the sides also have the straws. So this is gorgeous. Also, in each of the boxes, they come with this little Chanel booklet that usually is falling out or I don't show it to you. The next item is Chanel. You know the drill. Camellia logo ribbon. Like I said, we got the jackpot today. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. I'm just going to say a laser cut camellia on silver with a star in the center. And it says Chanel. Chanel is stamped. There's double C's and then the camellia. This is excellent. Your girl has taste. The size of a quarter or a silver dollar. Let's go with a silver dollar. That's what it's the size of. Fendi. These are Fendi stud earrings. I love the way this clasp is. This is not real gold. Anyway, these are cute. Okay, those are the Fendi stud earrings with, of course, diamantes or rhinestones. I love anything that is shiny, bright. It always catches my eye. It's like shine bright like a diamond. Here's another Chanel bag with the ribbon still attached. True unboxing. And we have the ribbon. This one has the camellia on the front of the bag. Inside is a little box with a camellia on top. The Chanel ribbon. Oh. Okay, and here's this little booklet. Soft velvety pouch. And a necklace. Look at that. It gives like ancestral Chanel. The necklace is for $1,150. Inside is this Jo Malone box. If you have not tried Jo Malone body cream, it is very thick. Mirror and Tonk is very strong. It will stay on you all day. So this is a very, very good purchase. Jo Malone, Mirror and Tonk. They also carry this in perfume version. But I love to layer. So layering with this body cream. Yep. You can use any type of Jo Malone body wash. And then when you get out, smooth this all over your body. Yes. And then spray some Mirror and Tonk on. Hello, baby. So the next item that I purchased was Tiziana Terenzi And this is Tuttle. And this is an extract of a perfume. This is a big old box. When wearing one of these perfumes, we feel a sense of wonder because this collection embodies the essence of rediscovery, of recognizing the dearest possessions we thought we had lost or perhaps did not even know that we had forgotten. Wearing these fragrances takes us on an epic journey to the moon in search of our precious lost object. Wow, this is very weighty. Let me open it. I think I broke the box. This is the box. This is gorgeous. I think that's the word of this video, gorgeous. Please comment below. Hello, sexy. This is the bottle. This is the inside. This is gorgeous. For my purchases, they gave me this Tiziana Terenzi candle. Is called ISCHIA Orchid White Glass. And it smells good. It smells really good. It's 1 wick. They also supplied me with, these are perfume atomizers that you can throw in your purse and go. They are refillable. And they gave me 2 with the purchase of the Tiziana Tuttle. Another one of the candles. Yeah. CABIRIA sample and white fire sample. Lots of samples. So anytime you make a purchase and you have a good sales associate, they're going to give you some samples.